Question 8. The price of a TV is 30,000. The sale tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. Find the amount Vinod will have to pay if he buy it. Then what is sale tax? Sale tax is charged by government on the sale of an item. Then this sale tax is collected by shopkeepers from customers and given to government. There is another type of tax is included with price. This is known as means value added tax, means VAT. Then another GST. GST stands for good and service tax and is laid on supply of goods or service or both. Here what is the sale tax percentage? 12%. And original price of the TV, question number 8, original price of TV. TV is equal to 30,000. So find out the sale tax. What is sale tax? Sale tax percentage here 12%. So 12% of original price. Here original price 30,000. Then here 12% by 100 multiply. Then this two. Then what is the 12 into 13? 6, 3. 156. Then rupees 1560. This sale tax 1560. This sale tax is added with bill amount. Here how many rupees are 13,000. So selling price is equal to price, original price plus sale tax. So 13,000 plus 1560. So what is its answer? Rupees 14,560 rupees. So then we can write the amount Vinod will have to pay. Is equal to rupees 14,560. The next question number 9, you can do yourself. The next question 10. Read question number 10, the question. Sir, look at 10 questions. I purchased a hair dryer for 5,400 rupees including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. Then find out the price before VAT was added, means find the original price. For example, here original price is 100. Then what is the price included tax? Means here tax percentage 8%. So price included tax is equal to 180. Then we can write question number 10. Then let the original price of article be 100. Then Then when we can write it, when price included tax, what is the price included tax? 108 rupees. When price tax is equal to how many rupees? 5,400 rupees. Original price means when price included tax is 500 rupees, then original price. Original price is equal to, look, 100 by 108. 100 by 108. Multiply 5,400. Then how many times 118, 540? About means how many times? 5 times and 0. Then what is 100? Then what is original price? Original price is equal to the price before what was added. The price before what was added means original price is equal to 5,000 rupees. The next question, question number 11, look, an article was purchased for 1,239 included GST of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. Before GST means find the original price of the article. Here look here, question number 11. Let the original price of article be, we can take 100. So what is its selling price? Here GST how many? 18%. So 100 plus 18, 118 is equal to 180 rupees. So we can write it here, let the original price of article be 100. Then selling price of articles means tax included price is equal to here 180. Then original price is equal to 100 rupees. Then here or selling price of an article how 1,239. Then what is the original price? Then original price is equal to, look, 100 by 180 multiply 1,239. Then how many times this we can divide 2, 50, and this how many times 59. Then look, in 59 how many times? 1,239. In 123 how many times 59? 2 times. Means 2 into 59 means 180. This 118 minus from 123, we get remainder 5. Then 5 and 9, 59. In 59, how many times? 21. So 50 into 21. 50 into 21 is equal to, look, 50 into 21 is 0, 5, 0. What is 0? 5 rupees 1050. So selling price of an article 1239. So its original price, what is original price? Original price without tax means 1050 rupees. Then okay, thank you. Then this you should write your fair copy.